Hello guys, my voice is audible. Hello, good evening. Hi, hi. Oh, again you guys started. Voice low, voice low, voice low. I'm not speaking anything, okay? When I started teaching, I will speak loudly only, don't worry. Okay guys, tell me what your doubts. Someone are telling Eclipse. So guys, you started using Eclipse also. Manikant using which editor now present? Just let me know. Which editor he is using? I don't know really. Just why I'm asking. Tell me. Eclipse only. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. One answer is enough. Okay, we'll just wait for remaining students to join, and then next we'll start our class. Just 5 to 6 minutes, okay? Yeah. I'm not speaking anything, guys. Don't worry. Why you are telling not audible, not audible? I'm not started only first. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So which topic is going on now? So in that assignment multiplication table, you have to print multiple tables only. Okay. Your user will enter that limit. Okay. For suppose user will enter up to 10 means you have to multiply with 10 times. Okay, for suppose user will enter 20 means you have to print the table up to 20 times. Okay. So now which topic is going on? Tell me. What is your last topic? Constructor. Constructor is started. Okay, guys. So tell me what is constructor. Constructor. Constructor meaning I want. Guys, I'm not went anywhere. Okay, I will become. You guys not having patience. Okay. Yeah. So constructors is started and constructor is a method. Mm, not a method. Constructor is not a method. Use it to object initialize when you to create instance of many things is there. Wait, we'll see one by one, one by one. Yeah, okay. Say guys, I am shouting. Please use earphones, okay? Earbuds, anything. Every time, what is this? Voice is low. Voice is low. Voice is low. Yeah. So see here, guys. So for suppose how to create objects. Tell me first. How to create objects? Just simple question. How to create objects in our Java? How to create objects? Constructor and method is a not a same. Okay, that is different. This is different. I'm just asking how to create on one object. So in every, so tell me first definition of object. What is object? Object means what? A real world entity. This is that basic definition, right? A real world entity. So which object is having that existence, that is we can call it as object. Okay, so every real world is every object is what? One real world entity. So now by using Java, how we can create objects? By using Java, how we'll create objects? Okay, so object having what? Two behaviors. Tell me what is the two behaviors? Object having, first one is what? States. First one is states and second one is behavior. First one is states and second one is behavior. Every object having these two properties. One is states, one is behavior. But suppose take one mobile example. Okay, just assume this is mobile. Okay, don't ask sir where is camera, where is button. Just assume. Okay, so power button something. Just assume mobile. So in this mobile, okay, okay, in this mobile, tell me what is the properties and what is the states and what is the behavior of in this mobile. Okay, so states is what is that? Mobile price. Okay, so next mobile name and next mobile color. Okay, and next mm, RAM. Okay, and next ROM also. Okay, price, name, color, this all attributes is what? This all is states of an mobile. Okay, states of an mobile. What is the behavior? What is the behavior of an mobile? So tell me, first one is a calling function. Okay, so next texting. Okay, so next okay, video calling, this is also one function. So next games. So this is what, this is that behaviors of an a mobile. So this is that what properties, what is the states and what is this behaviors. So this is what some way, by using these things we can create object, these things we already know. Okay, so now I will create one object. I will create one object here. So that object is, just assume mobile only. Okay, so first I am creating class mobile. Class mobile. Okay, so open curly brace, close. So states, tell me what is the states. States is first string name. String name. Okay, so here I am declared one variable. Okay, here I am declared one variable. What is that variable? Name. Wait, I am getting some message. What is that? Volume voice is not audible. Wait, yeah. Okay, audible, right? My voice is audible, right? Whenever I will come, you guys are raise the same point again. Okay, yeah. So okay, so constructors topic. Okay, first here I am explaining. So I am mobile having some attributes. What is that attributes? So string name and something int num I am giving. So now this two states is there. Okay, this is that, what is that? This is two non-static variables. Correct or not? Static variables or non-static variables? Non-static variables. Okay, so now this non-static variables only declaration is there. This is not initialized. Initialization is not there. Okay, not initialized. Okay, so now who will initialize? So this is not a static variable, this is non-static variables. Okay, who will initialize? So here we have one special type. Okay, here we have special type non-static multi-line initializer. That name is what? Constructor. Special type multi-line non-static initializer, and someone will tell it as what is that, uh, special type method. Okay, whatever it may be. Okay, so now here I am writing constructor. Okay, constructor. So now by using this constructor, we can assign values to this not initialized variables. Okay, sir, some students will have doubt, sir, we can assign values for static variables also, for non-static variables also. We'll see now. Okay, first here I am declared what one non-static variables. So now by using this constructor, how will assign values to this constructor? Okay, so now, so first rule is constructor name same name as class name. So what is your class name? Mobile. So your constructor name is also, you have to write what? Mobile only. Okay, mobile. So guys, tell me, constructor having any return type? Constructor having any return type? No, right? Constructor does not have any return type. Only access modifier and next class name. So here I am written class name. So what is this constructor work? Tell me, what is this constructor work? This constructor work is initialize this non-static variables. What is that non-static variables? Here I will write. What is that non-static variables? String name. Okay, next comma int num. So this constructor work is initializing these two members. What is that members? Name and number. Okay, so open curly brace and close here. So now how to initialize? For suppose here I am loading this name and number. Okay, so here I have to write. So before writing here I will create one object. So this is my implementation class, guys. This is implementation class. In the driver class we'll create object like this, right? What is that? Mobile m equals to mobile m equals to new mobile. So we'll create object like this, right? I think you guys all are having idea. So data, what is that, sir? Data members and states is same. Data members and states. Oh, you are asking this confusing. Oh, I'm not getting. What is your question? Data members, states. For objects, we are calling that is states. That is only data members. That is only data members. Same. That the pronunciation is different. Okay. So we are creating object like this. Okay, mobile and a new mobile. So guys, here just observe here. Here new keyword is there, right? This is new keyword. So what is the use of this new keyword? What is the use of this new keyword? What is the use? So whenever you are creating new keyword, okay, whenever you are creating new keyword, one block of memory is created in the heap area. One block of memory is created in the heap area. Okay. So now block of memory is there. So now this block of memory, what is that? Having one address ox1. Okay. And what is that? Reference is m. So m is pointing that reference. Okay. So now this block of memory is created for which class? Mobile class. Sir, mobile class having how many members? Tell me. Mobile class having how many members? Only two members. One is name, one is number. So two containers is created like this. Okay. So first is name, second one is num. So two objects is created like this. Okay. This is name, and the next second one is num. Two memory allocations is allocated like this. So now initially what is this? What is the default value of string? What is the default value of string? String default value null, right? So first initially null is stored. What is the default value of number? 0. Okay. So when you are creating this object, new keyword is calling constructor. So this is there, right? Mobile and parenthesis. So this is constructor. New keyword is calling what? Constructor. Which constructor? Mobile class constructor. But in your mobile class, any constructor is there like this? No argument constructor is there? Any no argument constructor is there? No. So here you will get compile time error. But here I will pass mobile name as mi. Okay. Mobile number as 8. mi8 phone, mi9 phone, like that. So now in your mobile class, any constructor is there like this? With name argument and with number argument, is there or not? Is there or not? Is there? Okay. Here one constructor is there. Okay. So now here you entered one values. That values I wanted to assign to what? For name and num. But just guys, you just observe, whenever I am writing this mobile dot what is that name and num, these variables act like a local variables. Okay. So within the block I am writing, right? So this variable act like a what? Local variables. Local variables. Tell me what is the local variables behavior? Local variables behavior. Local variables behavior. So we have to use within the block only. Correct? Outside the block, can we use local variables? Outside the block, we can't use. Outside the block, we can't use local variables. Only within the block only, we can use that local variables. Okay? So now here, what is the global variables? Global variables. Global variables means what is that? So global variables means nothing but it is a class members. So inside class here I am having two members. What is that? Name comma int. Okay, these two members is there. Correct? These two members we can call it as global variables. So here inside constructor I am writing, right, name and number. These two variables we can call it as local variables. Okay. So now here my local variable names and my global variable name is same. Local variable name and global variable name is same. Okay. So how to differentiate this both? Okay. How to differentiate? I want to tell to my compiler. So this is the local variables having some different behavior, that global having different behavior. How to differentiate this both? Here Java providing what? One keyword, call it as this keyword. You guys know what is this keyword? Okay. This, it is a one keyword. It is a one keyword. What is the use of this keyword? What is the use of this keyword? What is the use of this keyword? Tell me. It will hold the current class object address. It will hold the current instance. Okay. So now the same. Okay. Here I will write. What is our constructor? Our constructor is mobile. So this is our constructor mobile. So what is that? Members string name. Okay. So next int num. So this is our constructor, right? This is our constructor. So here my local variable name and global variable name is same. So how to differentiate? How to differentiate? Tell me. By using this keyword right here. This dot name equals to name. I will write. Can I write like this? Any problem is there here? Can I write? Okay. This dot name equals to name. So next, this dot number equals to number. Okay. So guys, here tell me which variable here. This is also name. This is also name. Now tell me which variable is local variable, which variable is global variable. Okay. Here I'm having two names, right? Okay. One is this name and second one is this name. So in these two, which one is local variable, which one is global variable? Think and tell me. Tell me.
Hello guys, are you there? Hold on. I will call you. I will call you. Just I'm in class. Tell me. First is local variable. Second is don't tell that blind answers. Okay. See here. See. I will tell. So this dot num equal to is there, right? This is global variable. This is what global variable. This is there, right? Second one. This is local variables. Okay. So now see here. See. So whenever I am creating object like this, mobile something m mobile m equals to new mobile. I am creating like this, right? One object. So here I am passing what values of one something name, and next something one number 8. So this name is stored where? In the first phase of your constructor. Whenever enter mi, that mi stored inside the constructor. You are entered number 8, right? The number 8 stored inside what? Number. So now inside name, what is the value is there? Inside name, one value is there. What is that? Mi is there. Okay. Inside number, one value is there. What is that? 8 is there. Okay. So now this variable is what? Local variable. And I'm assigning this dot name. This dot name means what is that? Global variable. That means here outside I'm having two variables. See, here I'm outside, here I am having two variables. So these values, this mi and this 8 values, I'm assigning to whom? Global variables. So whenever I am trying to print any values outside, okay, outside like this, if whenever I'm trying to print system dot out dot println, when I'm trying to print what is that name means, what I will get? Okay, which value is assigned by the constructor, that value only I will get. What is the value? Mi. Okay. So next, system dot out dot println, or what is that? Num. Okay, num. What I will get? Something 8. Okay, this example you already know, right? I will show one practical example, you will get that clarity. Okay, so Eclipse. Yeah, okay. So next, constructors. Mm, RS programs and I will do. Yeah. So I am taking one class, okay, test. Okay. So guys, here see, just here I am creating one more class. Class same mobile. Okay. Whatever the example I give, same example I am taking. Okay. Mobile example. Mobile. So next, so tell me what is the states of mobile? What is the states of an mobile? State something name, correct, right? String name, string name. Okay. So next, something brand, color. Okay. Int num. I'm taking int num. So now these two members is not initialized. These two members is what? Not yet initialized. See here also, this is the one member not initialized. So now how to initialize means I have to create one constructor. How to create constructor? Constructor name same name as class. Okay, mobile and open bracket. So now here I am writing string dot name comma, so next int num. Okay, this is my constructor, right? So now here this global variable name and this local variable name is same, so that's why here I am using what? This keyword. Okay, so this dot name equals to name. So next, this dot number equals to number. Clear, right? Clear, right? Okay. So now completed. My mobile class is completed. I am declared to variables, and next I am declared sort members. Okay. So now here, uh, mm, wait, I will create one more method also here. Public void display method. Display method. System dot out dot println name. System dot out dot println name, and next system dot out dot println num. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this is just a method. This method is used for what? Just printing the states. Printing the states. I am created one method. So this is what? This is constructor. Why this constructor is used for? Initialize the members. Okay. So here only I will print that value. What is that? Now, no problem. Okay. So please first stop chatting and just concentrate here. Okay. Please do please. Whenever I'm asking questions, that time only give replies. Okay. In that nonsense chatting, don't do. So here I am created one method, one constructor, and some states. Okay. So here I am creating one method, main method, and next I want to create object for my mobile class. How to create object? By using new keyword. So mobile m equals to new mobile. Okay. See here, whenever I'm creating object, see here I'm getting what? One compile time error. What is his giving suggestions? Or add arguments to match mobile string and int. That means here whenever you are creating object, what happens? This new keyword is calling mobile class constructor. But in your mobile class, any constructor is there like this? No argument constructor. Any constructor is there? No. In this class, we are having only one constructor, that too parameterized constructor. Okay, that is what? Parameterized constructor. So now add parameters. What is the first parameter? We have to add one name. Correct? So add name. What is that name? Uh, just mi mobile phone. Okay, mi, comma, next mobile number. Okay, so Redmi 8745 is there, right? So here I'm just giving 8. See now error gone. Okay, so now here I will call m dot display method. M dot display method. Clear, right? Clear, right? So now execute your program. What you will get output? What you will get output? What you are getting? M1 and 8. Understood, right? So now how that constructor is working means, so when you are entered this mi stored where? Inside this name. Okay, what is this name? This name is assigning to this dot name. What is this dot name? Global variable. Okay, so this mi stored in this variable and assigned to the global variable. Here you are printing global variable. So when you will call display method, you will get what? States of an object. Okay, simple program. Understood or not? Clear? Any very difficult is there in this program? Yesterday only completed, I think, this program, right? Just take one screenshot. Okay. take one screenshot. Wait, guys, I will tell first. Copy. First, you copy. I will tell. I will tell. Tell me. Completed, right? Copying done. Copying done. Wait. Where is it? Yeah. Just take one screenshot. Copying done. I will explain once again. Don't worry. Yeah. Okay. So now, okay. So come to here. So what is my class? So my class name is mobile class. Okay. Mobile class. Okay. So in this mobile class, what is the states and what is that behavior? So I'm not taking any behavior, just states I'm taking. Okay. So the states is, wait, here I will not take directly. I will write string, string name. Okay. So next, int, int number. This is the two, right? This is the two. What is that? Your mobile states. This is clear. So now whenever you are creating object like this for mobile, okay, so mobile m equals to new mobile. So you are creating one object like this, right? So something you are assigning, what is that, m1 and 8. So whenever you are creating like this, in your heap area, in your heap area, so just assume this is your heap area. In your heap area, one block of memory is created. What is that? One block of memory is created. Okay, this is the your block of memory. One block of memory is created in heap area. So in that block of memory, what it will contains? So this block of memory contains first one address. So just something 0x1. So m is pointing that address. So this object is created for which class? Mobile class. What is the states of mobile? Name and number. So two containers is created. What is the first one? First one is name. Second one is number. Okay, this is the two containers created where? Inside heap area. This is heap area. This is heap area. This is heap area. So now here you are creating object and you are giving what? M1 and 8. So now M1 and 8 is stored here. So what is, wait, here I will write. Okay, mobile name is M1 and what is that? Our number is 8. M1 and 8. This is created for only for one object. So now when you are assigning these values, okay, what is this constructor work? directly these values assigned to that object class. Okay, whenever you are entered in your driver class these values initialized in your mobile class. Okay, for this one object one instance is created. So second time you are creating one more, same mobile, and next same m1 equals to new mobile. So now in this time one more instance is created. Okay, one more instance means what happens, one more block of memory, right? Same, one more block of memory is created. Okay, so same this block of memory is also having what, one address. What is that address? 0x2. So m2 m1 is pointing what, that address. So same this one block of memory also contains what, two states. What is the first one? What is the first one? Mobile name. And what is the second one? Mobile number. Mobile name and mobile number. Okay, so here mobile name is for suppose here I am writing mobile name. So here I am writing mobile name as something Samsung. Okay, mobile number వచ్చేసి okay, so 9. Okay, so here inside in the second object, so now inside when that m1 is pointing in that location, this values was assigned. What is that values? First one is Samsung. Okay, next second one is what, 9. So now same this value is also pointing where, for the second instance. So don't get confused. Okay, sir, here only one name is there, one number is there, right sir? How it will be assigned? But this is what, non-static variables. How many objects you are creating, that many copies created for every instance. For suppose if I will create one more mobile, what happened, one more block of memory created. In that block of memory contains what, name and number. I will create 100 means 100 times name and number is created. So 100 times single constructor, it will assign that values to the constructors. Okay, so now this values assigned, right? So here I am having one display method. What is that? Display method. Okay, display method is there. So inside display method what we are doing, we are printing system dot out dot println name. Okay, so next system dot out dot println, so next num. Done, right? So now when you are calling, for suppose I will call m dot display, what I will get output, m dot display means, so m pointing which object, ox1, what is there, m1 and 8. So by using m reference I will call display method means, what is my output, tell me? By using m dot display I will call m dot display, what is the name and number? Fast answers I want. What is that? m1 and 8 will be printed. For suppose I will call m1 dot display, m1 dot display. So now what is that output, tell me? For second instance, not first instance, for second instance, what you will get? Samsung and 9 you will get. So like this, can I create 100 instance? Yes, absolutely. How many times for creating object? That many times for each object, one more copy is created in your heap area. Okay. So now come to this example. Okay, so here I am created how many objects, only one object. So next I will create one more object. Okay, for same class. Okay, so here m1 mobile 1. Okay, so here I am giving that mobile name is Samsung. Okay, number is number 9. Okay, so here I will call m1 dot display, m1 dot display. So now tell me, what is your expected output for this program? What is your expected output? M18 and Samsung 9. Execute. Are you guys getting output? Okay, for suppose I will create third mobile. I want to create third mobile. Okay, simple, create one more copy. How many mobiles if you want, you can create. Okay, so here I will write Vivo. Okay, mobile number 10. Okay, so now tell me, I want third mobile details. Can I take which type reference, M or M1 or M2? I want third mobile details. I want to third mobile details. Which display method can I call? M dot display or M1 dot display? What is that? M2 dot display. Very good. M2 dot display. So instead of calling M2 dot display, can I call like this, guys? Any problem? So system dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. Here I will call M2 dot name. Any problem is there? Any problem? I will not call display method. I will not call display method. I will not call display method. Here also M2 dot now. Any problem is there? So now, no, right? So instead of calling display method directly, here I am calling object states only. Okay, so inside mobile class, name is presented, so I can call these members. So that members is what? Non-static variables. So by using object reference, I am calling. So execute. What you are getting? Understood, right? What is that? No problem, but we can access only name. No, we can access number also. Why name only? Everything we can access by using instance. We can access everything. Which are the members is present inside this mobile class? That all members I can access by using that reference. So guys, just tell me. For suppose I will make these members as static members. What will happen? Tell me. So here I am created for what is that? Non-static members, right? If I will create static members means what happens? Tell me. If I will make these members as static means what happens? So not error. For static members, what happens? For static members, memory is allocated for only one time. Memory is allocated how many times? Only one time. For suppose if you want to print M1 mobile name, you are given what is that? For suppose something mi. Okay, so this m is static variable means when you are second time, if you are creating any instance, if you are creating any instance and you are assigning one more name, something Vivo, so it will not create one more memory. It will replace that old data with new data. For static members means memory is allocated only one time inside the class static area. Okay, so if you're adding all values, finally you will get what? Finally you will get whichever the value of added last time, that value only you will get. So we have to use what? Non-static variables only. So what is the benefit of using non-static variables? How many times you are creating object, that many times memory is allocated for that all members. If I create 100 objects, 100 times memory is allocated. If you are using static means only one time memory is allocated. That's why we will not use static variables. We are using non-static variables. What is it? Then what is the use of? Yeah, multiple times memory is allocated for the same members, same class members. Yeah, without creating object we can access. Why? Because that is static members means it belongs to class members. So by using class name we can access. Clear, right? So in interview they will ask what is the constructor. Constructor, it is a special type non-static initializer, multi-line initializer. Okay, so what is the use of constructor means? It will load it will load all non-static members into heap area. It will load all non-static members into heap area. It will load all non-static members into heap area. So this is the main work of your constructor. Okay. Second, it is used for initialize object members. That is also correct. That the main purpose is what? Used for load all non-static members into heap area. It is a, okay. It is a special method. It is used to, what is that? Initialize the members, but actually constructor not a method. Okay. If it's a different constructor and method. In interview, sometimes they will ask, what is the difference between method and constructor? So that time, what is your answer? So just tell it is a like one special type method. It's not like a normal method. It's a special type method. Clear, right? Okay. So now just coming to this program. So guys, anyone having confused? You are having any confusion in this block? Okay. Local variable name and global variable name same. Anyone having any confusion? Constructor is a method. It's not like a normal method. It's a special type method. Actually, constructor special type non-static initializer. But now I will explain what is initializer and all. You guys will go into that match stage. That's why I'm not telling that point. But when that blocks will come, I will tell what is actual constructor. Yeah, when that constructor will executed, when you will create object. Okay. So guys, just see here. When global variable name and local variable name same, we are using this keyword. So just assume my global variable name and local variable name is not a same, different. So now this keyword required here. Tell me. Now this keyword required here, which, well, already n is there. Okay, so here I will take yes. So now just see here. Here my local variable name and global variable names is different. Correct or not? So here my global variable name is name. Number is number. My local variable name is yes and n. Here not the same. Here any use is there for this keyword? No. Here will not use this keyword. Here directly I will assign that values to the variables like this. Okay. So num equals to n. That's it. So here I am directly assign that values. Here I am not using this keyword. When we will use this keyword, when the global variable names and local variable names should be same, that time we'll use this keyword. Otherwise, we will not use this keyword. Clear and all right? So just write one point when we will use this keyword, when local variables and global variable name should be same. That time we are using this keyword. This keyword, it will holds the current class instance. So some students will having doubt. Sir, in one class can we create only one constructor? Not like that. Okay, if you want, you can create n number of constructors. If you want, you can create n number of constructors. Okay, but argument should be different. Arguments should be different. Okay, so just see here. I will create one more constructor with the same mobile. Okay, mobile. So here I'm not printing anything. Here I'm not giving anything. Okay. So first copying done. Copying done. Copying done. First copy this program. Take one screenshot. Done. Yeah. So now, okay, Samata ji, hmm, check your comment once. What you are talking. Actually, the students will having this type behavior. That's why I'm not getting interested to come to class only first. So here I am shouting and I'm teaching constructor. Your focus is not there in that constructor, and you are what is reading the silly comments and putting the silly messages. When you will get much I don't know. Okay. So see here, guys. So here in mobile class now having how many constructors? Mobile class having how many constructors? Mobile class having how many constructors? One or two? I am only giving options. One or two. Two constructors. So first one is no argument constructor. Second one is parameterized constructor. First one is no argument constructor. Second one is parameterized constructor. Okay. So now here I will create here I will create object for my mobile class. Okay. Okay. So mobile m equals to new mobile. So okay. So now by using this instance I am calling display method. So now guys tell me what is your expected output. Okay, tell me what is your expected output. Output, expected output. What is your expected output? Null and zero. Okay, very good, very good, very good. So for suppose I am creating one more. Okay, so here I will write something realme. Mobile name is realme. Okay, and mobile number is 8. So mobile 1. Next m1 dot display. So in the first here I am creating what? One object. So new keyword is created. Okay, so new keyword is created, one block of memory in heap area. So that block of memory having what is how many blocks? Only two. One is name, one is number. So if I assign any value here, no. So default value of string, what is that? Null. What is the default value of number? Integer? 0. So the two values is there. The two values is stored. That's why in this display what you will get output null and 0. Here you assigned one value. What is that? Realme. That means in the place of null, okay, you are assigned what? Realme. So realme is stored in the object of m1. So next you are assigned what? Number 8. Number 8 is stored inside number. So now display, you will get that output. What is that? Null 0 and realme 8. Clear, right? Clear, right? So like this we are using constructors. Okay. So now ask anyone having any doubt, ask me now only. In not only constructors, in any last topics also. Any remaining topics clear? Any remaining topics? Hello, remaining topics. Can you explain Armstrong number in range? That is Armstrong number in range. It's very simple. Just create one method. Uh, WhatsApp group is full, sir. Sir, what is explain recursion topic? Yeah, sure, sure, guys. Sure, sure. So, recursion topic I will only explain. Don't worry. Recursion method, recursion I will take class. A part of address, string data. How we can compare string data apart from address? That is object class. We are having some methods. By using that methods, we can compare. Okay, so everything will be fine, right, guys? According for your classes, everything. Anyone having any queries? So here I think many students they don't know me. So my name is Ramna Kumar. Okay, core Java trainer. Yeah, I'm like what is that? One blue moon. Sometimes I will come. Sometimes I don't have time to come. Clear, right? So no doubts. I think. Okay, small program to this keyword. Yeah, sure. Why not? So just yes, come to here and create one class. Class name is hello. 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 Okay. Yeah, sure, sure. I will teach. I will teach. I will teach when I am having time. Surely I will come and I will take class. Okay. So our batch students are 80%, 85, not 80%, 80 to 90% students are there good only. I don't know the 10% people why they are coming and why they are making nonsense things in classroom. I'm not getting. Okay, so nonsense things and doing nonsense comments. Okay, just a few seconds back, one girl is commented, "What is, sir? Your sweet voice is not audible." Huh? Sweet voice is not audible. Oh my God. So that's why every time we are not coming to class only. Okay, so guys, so now create some objects. Okay, for suppose I'm created a mobile, right? I'm I'm created a mobile. Take one object. Okay, for suppose take TV. Okay, so what is the states of TV? What are the states of an TV? Tell me. States of TV is for suppose okay. So just TV states, what is that? Color, weight, price. Okay, same like that. Take one more object. Okay, for suppose earbuds. Okay, what is the states and behavior? Everything you have to create objects and you have to create constructors. You have to create objects and you have to create what? Constructors. Okay, everything if you want you can take everything. Okay, not only one thing, you can take everything. Okay, and take and just practice the same things. So this program you're having one example program, right? So similar like, so here I took what is one mobile example. You can take one something like any extra. Laptop is one example. Okay, what is the states of laptop? Here I'm created how many constructors? Two constructors. But in the first constructor I'm written anything? No, this is no argument constructor. Correct. So here in this class I'm having how many constructors? Two constructors, same name with different formal arguments. So you guys remember in that methods also same concept is there. What is that? The methods also same concept is there. Same method name, different formal arguments. What is that concept? What is that concept name? What is that concept name? Same method name, different formal arguments. What is that concept name? Same method name, different formal arguments. Method overloading. What is that concept name? Method overloading. Here, one class having more than one constructor with different formal arguments. What is this concept? Constructor overloading. Constructor overloading. Constructor overloading. So for some methods, same method, different formal arguments. For constructors, same constructor and different formal arguments. Okay. So just same create some a few more objects like this and create constructors and practice more programs on constructors only. Okay. In some examples use this keyword. In some examples don't use this keyword. Okay. Some examples print directly by calling display method. In some example directly call states only. Okay. So one program you can practice in multiple ways when you're having interest. If you're not having interest means we can't do anything. Okay. So we'll meet you tomorrow at the same time, sharp 8 o'clock. Okay. Good night, sweet dreams. Take care. Bye bye. Wait. Attendance. I think they already took attendance. I think. Hemasagar, can you send attendance link? Can you pin that attendance link into chat box? The attendance is very important for my students. Okay. Hemasagar, are you there? Can you hear my voice? Hello, team Avanto. Just pin that attendance link in chat box. Anyone, team Avanto? Hello, excuse me, anyone is there or not? Okay, guys, I think they already took attendance. Okay, you don't worry. Okay, if that is not possible, means I will send that attendance link in your group. What is formal argument? Hey, this is the things you don't do. Okay, WhatsApp group link also if possible. You nonsense things. Okay, guys, we'll meet you tomorrow. Tata, bye bye. See you. Take care. Bye bye. How many ways is there to create object? No, only one way by using new keyword. That's it. Yeah, bye bye.